How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about on how you can mirror objects in BambuStudio. This is going to be extremely simple. Now, basically, let's say that we have two parts of our model right here. So let me just cut this cute little dragon real quick. So in my case, it will then look something like this. Or maybe you have something like an earphone and you want to duplicate it or mirror it. So just to basically make things easier. Now to do this, you just want to click on the first model. In my case, it's going to be this one. Right click on it. From here, click on clone. Okay. And then it will basically make the exact same model of our original model right here. So on the second model, once again, you want to right click on it. In here, select mirror, and then I'm going to mirror it along the x-axis. From there, basically, if we line this together, it should go ahead and perfectly match. So that's how you mirror objects in BambuStudio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.